Hello mga guys. Welcome to my vlog, Len Marie Musra. Have a nice day everyone. Breakfast time. Let's eat mga guys. Rice. 3 eggs. Tomato. Cucumber. Vegetables with sardines, so yummy. With coffee, mga guys. Please like and follow me, share also. Thank you for watching. Love you all mga guys. Follow to my Instagram and my YouTube channel. Len Marie Musra, OFW Jordan with love. You know mga guys, outside it's very foggy. Very foggy mga guys outside. It's raining. Very cold here in Amman, Jordan. So, I will eat my breakfast before I'm going to work. Kauntan nyo guys. Thank you sa blessings every day. I love you. Kauntan nyo guys. So yummy food mga guys. OMG. I will put towel on my loft so it will not split on the floor mga guys. So yummy mga guys. It's raining outside mga guys. So yummy breakfast. Still foggy outside. This is boiled egg mga guys. 3, not 2, 3. So yummy. Guys, pag may makita ako sa mall ng sardinas, kabakala ko guys, kay nahidlaw ako guys, magkaon ng sardinas. Guys, ang sardinas sa abroad, mahal. Pero, namit, nahidlaw ko, mabaka kagid. Tapos, ano guys, tapos ang manok daw na sa lumudan, kaman, may manok. Gusto ko guys, mga gulay-gulay. Very simple lang akong guys na breakfast. Pero very healthy man guys. Amat. Grabe guys, very foggy outside guys. Gaulan. Daw mas snow guys. Nami ko mag-snow guys. Happy weekend to everyone. Namigas na ako nga. sardinas. Kaya may gulay. May sabaw-sabaw nga gamay. Then fry ko na guys sa olive oil, gamay lang. Nga ba? Yummy, ano sabaw? Medyo init ang kape. Puro init. Namigid saya sa cold weather. Kaya puro init. Okay mga guys. Love you all. Have a nice day and stay safe everyone. Busog ako guys. Sa akong nga breakfast. Yummy.